Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're tackling an English quiz all about choosing the correct sentence. 35 questions to challenge your grammar instincts. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. 1. Which of the following is a correct sentence? He can speak English. Tips: in modals, the base form of the verb is used after the modal can. 2. What is the correct past tense of go? Went. Tips: irregular verbs have unique past tenses, like go becoming went. 3. Choose the correct sentence. She is the taller of the two. Tips: when comparing two things, use taller, not tallest. 4. Which sentence is correct? I visited London last year. Tips: use simple past tense for specific time expressions like last year. 5. What is the correct form of the verb? She did not go to the party. Tips: after did not, the base form of the verb is used. 6. Which is the correct sentence? I didn't see her yesterday. Tips: use simple past with yesterday, not haven't. 7. Choose the correct sentence. If I were you, I would go. Tips: use were in conditional sentences for unreal situations. 8. Which is the correct plural form? Children. Tips: the plural of child is children. 9. Choose the correct sentence. He doesn't like coffee. Tips: use doesn't with singular subjects in the present tense. 10. What is the correct future tense? I will read a book. Tips: use the base form of the verb with will for future tense. 11. Which sentence is correct? She enjoys reading books. Tips: enjoy is followed by the ing form of the verb. 12. Choose the correct sentence. The books are on the table. Tips: when the subject is plural, books, use are. 13. Which is the correct form of the adjective? He is smarter than his brother. Tips: use smarter as the comparative form of smart. 14. Which sentence is correct? They are more intelligent. Tips: use more with adjectives in the comparative form. 15th. Choose the correct sentence. I went to the market yesterday. Tips: use simple past with specific time markers like yesterday. 16. What is the correct form? The team is playing well. Tips: when referring to a collective noun like team, use is. 17. Which sentence is correct? He hardly works. Tips: the adverb hardly should precede the verb in this sentence. 18. Choose the correct sentence. She can sing well. Tips: after can, use the base form of the verb. 19. Which is the correct sentence? If it rains, we will stay inside. Tips: use will with the base verb in first conditional sentences. 20. What is the correct form of the verb? I was studying when she called me. Tips: use past continuous for ongoing actions interrupted by another event. 21. Which sentence is correct? There are many books on the table. Tips: use are for plural subjects like books. 22. Choose the correct sentence. He has known her for years. Tips: know is stative, present perfect shows ongoing past to present state. 23. What is the correct possessive form? Its tail is long. Tips: use its without an apostrophe to indicate possession. 24. Which sentence is correct? She can't swim. Tips: can't is the contracted form of cannot and follows she directly. 25. Choose the correct sentence. The children were playing in the park. Tips: use were for plural subjects like children. 26. Choose the correct sentence. She doesn't like tea. Tips: remember, the correct form is doesn't with the base verb, like. 27. Choose the correct sentence. The boys play football. Tips: subject-verb agreement is key. Boys is plural, so use play. 28. Choose the correct sentence. I am going to the store later. Tips: am must be followed by a verb in the present continuous form. 29. Choose the correct sentence. The team has won the game. Tips: team is a collective noun and takes a singular verb. 30. Choose the correct sentence. She can sing beautifully. Tips: after can, always use the base verb, sing. 31. Choose the correct sentence. He has been studying all day. Tips: use has with singular subjects, he, she, it. 32. Choose the correct sentence. We were happy about the news. Tips: use were with the plural subject we. 33. Choose the correct sentence. She doesn't go to school. Tips: doesn't is followed by the base verb, not goes. 34. Choose the correct sentence. They are playing football. Tips: use are with plural subjects like they. 35. Choose the correct sentence. I didn't see him yesterday. Tips: after didn't, always use the base verb, see. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun English challenges. Keep pushing your skills, see you in the next video.